Welcome to Copy the Look 1 Item 3 Styles series. I'll keep these very strict so that you can go straight into the content, but basically this series has several episodes and I will be publishing daily videos for the next 14 days. Each episode or video will be centered around a single piece of clothing or footwear. And today I'm gonna kick off this series with the classic grey blazer. All these outfit proposals were sought for the weather right now, so end of winter, beginning of spring. In the next episodes I will go straight into the outfits, but since this is the first episode, let me just do a little explanation of this method. I've already talked about the 1-4-3 method here on my channel, a rule you should use to each and every single piece you have in your wardrobe. And this means you should be able to create at least 3 different outfits for 3 different occasions. So, different occasions, different styles. Workwear, smart casual and the elevated evening outfit as well. And thus make the most out of your wardrobe. This way you don't need to have lots of clothes to dress differently each day. As I mentioned, the piece of clothing that I chose is the grey blazer that is made in a cool wool, so a fabric perfect to transition from late winter, beginning of spring. Grey is a neutral color and a grey blazer is a timeless staple piece that you can wear on repeat for almost every season. Let's then see how you can wear this blazer that is often associated with corporate environments in several different ways. Let's then begin with outfit number 1. Grey is also a very versatile color you should have in your wardrobe. Also executive women's best friend. That's why I wanted to do this first outfit for workwear. So I paired the grey blazer with off-white tailored trousers. Grey and white is the ideal combo to bring light and elegance to your look and a way to make your outfit more springish. To pair with these trousers you have 2 options that make for an elegant outfit. Either go with a casual grey short sleeve or long sleeve top, or if your work environment is more formal, go for a white shirt instead of this top. It will work as well. For the purpose of today's video, I will keep the grey top. Then finish the outfit with a pair of black slingbacks, black belt and a black tote to tie everything together. But of course any other color will also do. Choose according to what you have in your wardrobe. This is kind of the base outfit, the one you are wearing inside your office. If the weather outside is rainy, swap the slingbacks for a pair of ankle boots and also add a trench coat on top of the blazer. Move on to outfit number 2. A pair of denim jeans is the ideal piece to break formality and create a more casual outfit. You can combine this look with an off-white top. In this case I went for this long sleeve merino wool top from Cezanne in the crew. Combine this outfit with a pair of loafers in dark chocolate brown and a matching belt, and you have the perfect smart casual everyday outfit. If you want to transform this outfit into something more casual, swap the loafers for a pair of sneakers, for instance these ones. Adidas also will do. So depending on the accessories you choose, you can do a more smart casual outfit or a more relaxed outfit. Instead of this top you can swap for a tank top if it's a warm day, or opt for a long sleeve cashmere sweater for extra warmth if the weather is colder. If you don't have a really strict work environment, these smart casual outfits can also work for your office.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Let's then now see how I style my corporate blazer for an evening outfit. And if you pair your corporate grey blazer with a total black look, it will be the perfect combo for an elegant, chic evening outfit. Here I opted for a leather mini skirt and a wool bodysuit. This one is from Cezanne. Really comfortable, very warm. You will be chic and warm at the same time. Try also to kind of roll up a little bit the sleeves of the blazer, leaving the sleeves of the bodysuit show underneath the blazer. Then I went for a pair of semi-sheer tights in black and pointy toe shoes, in this case slingbacks. You can also opt for stilettos if it is your style, and in this outfit accessories play a special role. And so I went with this gold necklace with this pearl that brightens up my face, and also some pearl earrings, a pearl ring. And for makeup I either go with a bold lip or a bold eye makeup. I opted for a bold red lip that will bring some color to my face, as I'm wearing all neutral dark colors. My red lip is from Dior, is this one here, in case you want to know. I went for this burgundy clutch. Also brighten up the outfit, kind of break the all neutral tones. Another thing that is very flattering is try to choose a blazer that is as long as your skirt or even longer than your skirt. This way you won't have many horizontal visual lines cutting your silhouette. I think this is more flattering. You will look also taller and more elegant in general. And I'm ready to go to my favorite restaurant. So another option is swapping the mini skirt for a midi or maxi skirt if you don't like mini skirts or you don't even wear mini skirts. Let me just swap the skirt and show you how I do it. I opted for this midi skirt that is kind of different. It has all these slits all around the skirt. This skirt is really old, but it's now again on trend. In this case, the blazer would be kind of a weird length with this skirt. From this perspective, it is cutting my silhouette, a little bit of skirt and a huge amount of blazer. You have two options to kind of correct this visual effect. The first one, place a belt in your waistline. I don't know if you can see, but the belt will blend seamlessly in this outfit. The only thing you can see is the gold buckle. From the front part, you can see that this belt is already making a difference and elongating my legs, as is kind of marking where my waistline is. And another option is wear the belt over your blazer. I will put an image side by side so that you can really see the difference. So the belt will cinch in the waist and the contrasting color will create a waistline and also indicate where your legs begin. This will respect the rule of thirds, make a more flattering silhouette, your legs will look longer and you will also look taller as well. I think this is a nice way to wear a blazer for an evening outfit, make the most out of our wardrobes and buy pieces that has this versatility. Now I want you to tell me which piece you want me to include in this series. I'll read you in the comments as always. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this series, this new idea, please don't forget to give it a like so that I can know that you actually enjoy this kind of content. And also that I know that you want to see more episodes of this series. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any episode, because in the next one I will be styling your beloved leather trousers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow here. Bye!